Pressure dropping, humidity rising over 80%, increasing wind. Here we are, chapter 2. So your pressure is dropping. Dad, wake up! I think a hurricane is coming!
Oh, Lisa, there's no record of a hurricane ever hitting Springfield.
Yes, but the records only go back to 1978 when the Hall of Records was mysteriously blown away.
What is it, boy? Fire? Earthquake? Hippie? Hurricane! Somehow the animals are always the first to know.
And the Weather Service has warned us to brace ourselves for the onslaught of Hurricane Barbara. And if you think naming a destructive storm after a woman is sexist, you obviously have never seen the gals grabbing for items at a clearance sale.
It's true, but he shouldn't say it.
We better pick up some supplies.
Stand behind the flaming garbage cans. We'll be letting you into the store, 70 people at a time.
Let's just beat him up and take his stuff.
No, do not listen to that man. Remain calm. You will all have a chance to be gouged.
Thank goodness.